So I decided to give my 5-year-old daughter a very sharp knife. Is that a good idea? Well, I think it is, and I will tell you why. So we do wood carving together. We do spoons, we do butter knives, spatulas, well, a bunch of different things. And she loves it, and we do it together. She got her very own knife for this purpose. Looks like this, a small, very sharp Swedish Mora knife, but it has a round tip, so you can't hurt yourself. And this is a very good knife to learn wood carving. She has done her very own, and I love it. She loves it. We use it. All the things we create, we use on a daily basis in our kitchen. In Sweden and in Scandinavia, we love to use our wooden kitchen utensils. And we actually have a box with wood and our knives. So when we feel like it, we just bring it out, sit down on the floor and do some wood carving. So here we have our tools, her knife. I have my knife. These are actually from Beavercraft, a Ukrainian company. In Sweden, we usually use our Mora knives, which are world famous and very good. But I also like to support Ukraine, as you can see from my sweater as well. Looks like this and this. So excellent. And I also have a small axe from Sweden as well. We are world famous for our knives, but also for our axes. And this is excellent for doing small woodworking. So this is from Gränsfors Bruks. It's a very nice hobby, and we enjoy it very much. So I can highly recommend it. It's easy to do. You don't have to be outside to do something like this. You can just sit down on the floor. I mean the wood shavings, it's easy to just clean up afterwards. So just put a box with some knives and some tools and some wood inside in your home, and you're good to go. So this is a work in progress, and here we have something that my daughter is working on. I can highly recommend this traditional Scandinavian hobby, and bring your kids into it as early as possible. Get them used to using a knife and get them used to creating things with their own hands. It's very good for their self-esteem and development. So get to it. And if you like my content, please follow and like, and I'll see you next time.